An update this evening on that Panguitch bus crash that killed 4 Chinese tourists on Friday. Intermountain officials saying there are still 12 patients in the hospitals. 19 were initially taken to Garfield Memorial Hospital, creating quite a hectic situation there for their staff. ABC4's Rosie Nguyen joining us live from Panguitch to explain how they were able to respond to such an emergency. Rosie.
Emily, we can call it a case of being at the right place at the right time. Hospital administrators from other regions just happened to be in Panguitch during Friday's fatal bus crash. They called in additional resources to help with what hospital officials at Garfield Memorial Hospital say was the most critical incident they've ever had. A trip to Bryce National Park turned deadly Friday after a bus carrying nearly 30 Chinese tourists crashed on State Highway 12, killing 4 people on board. The impact sent 19 people to Garfield Regional Hospital, the nearest facility to the scene.
I got the call right when I was entering my car to drive home.
Alberto Vasquez, the hospital administrator, was in Salt Lake City at the time. He says his facility is only equipped with 15 beds for critical care. But luckily, 6 administrators from other regions just happened to be in town and called in additional resources to help.
It was great. I almost burst out in tears when I found out this happened and they were here. It was great to have them.
A total of 90 staff members responded to the influx of patients, not including the medical professionals who came in from other areas.
I recall standing and looking out the ambulance bay at the hustle and bustle of that area. There was not a raised voice. There was not a panic.
Out of the 19 patients that were brought to the facility, they transported 11 to other hospitals, released 7, and kept 1 overnight who was eventually released Saturday. Officials say thanks to the teamwork among the different Intermountain facilities, they were able to overcome the language barrier.
It doesn't matter if you're from China or Italy or from Panguitch. We're going to treat you the same way, and that's why it's so nice to live in a small community. We're literally caring for our neighbors, even though you may be from across the ocean.
Now, as you mentioned earlier, Emily, there are still 12 survivors in the hospital, but that's just at Intermountain facilities. Out of that number, we know that there are still 3 in critical condition, 1 in serious condition, and 8 in fair condition. That does not include numbers from the Kane County Hospital, and we're still waiting for a call back from officials on their latest numbers. Reporting live in Panguitch, Rosie Nguyen, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Rosie. Tonight, the Chinese-based travel company overseeing that tour bus is defending its licensing and the bus driver at the wheel. Parent company UTOur Group in Shanghai said in a statement the driver was qualified, the bus was insured, and the travel agency was properly registered with China's Ministry of Culture and Tourism. U.S. investigators are researching the driver's background now, his license qualification and medical history. He is a U.S. citizen from California. We know that. Utah Highway Patrol says he did not appear to be intoxicated.